Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a video into a shareable link on iPhone. First, open Safari on your iPhone and search for WeTransfer. Tap on the official WeTransfer website. Once you're on the home page, accept the terms of service. Now go to Link section beside Email. Tap the large plus icon to upload files, then select Folder Library from the menu. Choose the video you want to convert into a link from your gallery. Give your video a title or just keep as it is, then type your email and tap on Get a Link. After that, get the verification code on your email. Then tap on Verify and Send. Wait for the video to upload. This may take a moment depending on your file size. Once the upload completes, WeTransfer generates a unique shareable link. Simply copy this link and share it with anyone. And that's it. You've successfully turned your iPhone video into a shareable link using WeTransfer.